How do you describe something so vast and beautiful, it feels indescribable? We picked up Andrew's parents at the Bozeman Airport in Montana. They're joining us for 3 weeks of exploration and life on the road. As a surprise, we're taking them through Yellowstone National Park, where none of us have been or explored. We're in Yellowstone, and this is a geothermal pool. The power. Wave, Andrew. Bison. There are so many different types of terrain inside Yellowstone National Park. Geothermal pools and vents, meadows, rivers, lakes, alpine slopes, amazing rocky vistas, just everything you can imagine in one place as you round different corners on different roads through the park. Everything is constantly changing. What a privilege it's been to share this experience with our family. The Mammoth Visitor Center is worth the stop. It has quite the historical display of how Yellowstone came to be. Yellowstone is touted as the world's first national park. What a brilliant idea. I would recommend having a reservation for your stay inside the park. Madison Campground was our first campground for overnight stays, and we used it as a base camp. It's near the West Yellowstone entrance and allowed us to leave the park and get internet and resources like groceries and that kind of stuff. Fishing Bridge was the next campground that we stopped at, and we had full hookups and intermittent AT&T LTE service. Lewis Lake was our third and final campground and had zero service, so we didn't actually stay there the entire time and went hunting for internet further south. If you've never been to the world's first national park, I recommend you go and take as much time as you possibly can. If you've made it this far, thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, click that notification bell. It really helps our channel.